Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda HR-V air filter. First, make sure your engine is completely off and cool for safety. You'll need a new air filter, typically costing around $15 to $25, and a screwdriver. Locate the air filter housing, usually a black box, under the hood of your vehicle. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Now let's get that old filter out. You'll typically find several clips or screws holding the air filter housing cover in place. Gently unclip or unscrew these fasteners. Once they are loose, carefully lift the cover. You'll see the old, often dirty, air filter inside. Take a moment to observe its orientation. This will help you install the new one correctly. Avoid forcing anything to prevent damage. With the old filter removed, it's time for the new one. Before inserting the fresh filter, quickly wipe away any leaves or debris from inside the housing. Now, carefully place the new air filter into the housing, ensuring it sits snugly and matches the orientation you noted earlier. Once it's in place, lower the cover and reattach all the clips or screws, making sure it's sealed tightly. This ensures proper filtration. You're almost done. Give all the clips and screws a final check to ensure the air filter housing is securely sealed. A loose cover can allow unfiltered air into your engine. Now, start your Honda HR-V and listen for any unusual sounds, confirming everything is working as it should. This simple change can be done in under 15 minutes. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.